Hi friends, welcome to RS CAR Modifiers. Friends, this is a brand new Roxx which we have done the complete modification. So we are going to give you a brief. We have made this the look of the vehicle as a monster look. So if we talk about the front profile, the first and foremost is the front bumper. As all you know, we have given from Proman, and this comes with the engine guard protection, and it's going to be Mark 1, which is going to be RS compatibility, and it's going to give you first of all a very rugged look at the front. So if we talk about the other front standout, we have given them the complete, you can see this Wrangler type grille, which complements with a red billet, you can see. Along with that, for the highway good vision, we have given them the FLP 4090. This is the brand Awesome. So which we have given them a 3-inch bifocal projector lamps, which is going to give you a throw up to 150 meters, and this is going to enhance the looks as well. So guys, if we talk about the headlights, so it doesn't come with the DRLs, so we have given them the provision of the Genome brand. So we have given them the complete DRL. You can see the C-type DRL which comes with the top end model, and it enhances the looks for the front for the better vision. Along with that, if we talk about the side standout, you can see this Thar mirror badging which comes with the indicators and as well as the parking hazards what we have given. This is complete, you can see there's a DRL. Along with that, again from the Proman, we have given them the side steps, the door hinges, which is going to be complementing with the black and red color. So guys, you can see the entire look of the sides. Along with that, we have given them the complete 18 inches wheels, which is going to be complete bronze color, and it is going to enhance the outer side profile of the vehicle. So if we talk about the rear, the best part of this vehicle is we have given them the, again from Proman, this is going to be a class look with the tire carrier support. What we have given is from Proman the rear bumper, and you can see the entire finish, and it's going to make the vehicle look entirely changed. So if we talk about the inner profile, guys, so the first and foremost, we have given them the safety feature, which is going to be the dash cam, which is from HP company. All the features, it comes with a G sensor feature, parking assistant feature, and it's going to come with a 4K Ultra HD screen at the front and 1K at the back. So it is going to be a night vision cameras, which is going to be complete HD. So along with that, we have given them, so you know all the summers are around. So for the heat protection as well as the air ejection and infrared protection and anti-glare, we have given them the complete sun film, the cooling tints for this vehicle. This is from Rhinepro, this is brand from USA. We have given them the film for the front as well as for the sides to have a good cooling effect in the vehicle, and it's going to it's going to be all RTO approved. You can see this is 70% transmission. Your seats will not get faded off, and you will not feel any of the heat of this cranky summers. This to enhance the looks, again if we talk about the inner profile, we have given them the complete seat covers. This is again from Top Gear company. You can see the fit and finish. It's going to be a complete bucket fit, and there won't be no heating, no sweating for this vehicle. And you can see the entire looks has been matching with the ice gray and black color, the combination what we have given for the seat covers. So guys, you can see this entire modification is been done, and you can see the entire look of this vehicle has become totally changed, and it has become a monster vehicle look. So guys, you want to upgrade your best of the best accessories, you can come to RS CAR Modifiers, and this vehicle is been loaded with all the Proman items. So you can see the front profile and the back profile and the side as we have discussed in this video. So guys, you want to upgrade and make your vehicle look rugged, you can come to RS CAR Modifiers, the best place to get your car modified, let it be Thar or Thar Roxx. So guys, stay tuned for more further video. We're going to give you a glimpse of this, the entire vehicle what we have done. Thank you.